Quant is about to make a massive move, and if that sounds interesting to you, make sure to continue watching this video. Hey guys, Pingu Charts here. Welcome back to another quant analysis video. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. I just want to say thank you guys so much for 50 likes on the last video. Honestly, that's more than enough for me. I was looking for 3 likes, but I really appreciate you guys and each and every one of you that hit that like button and do subscribe. As you guys can see on Quant, we did mention a beautiful move yesterday. We broke that resistance level right here at 187, and we had this massive manipulation candle. I did mention this in yesterday's video as well, that there is a possibility that this candlestick can be a manipulation candle, and we don't want to be entering a short position too prematurely. I did mention that this level at 154 is still the level we have the eyes on, but as of right now, you can see that we broke above that level. We broke above the 187 resistance level. We saw that bearish engulfing candle pushing back down, then the confirmation candle, and this ideally was the entry for that short position. This candlestick right here was that retest of resistance. You guys can see we had one retest on resistance. We wait for the fake out, then we continue entering that short position for the confirmation of the downside. Now, what pretty much happened on Quant, you guys can see that we did retest that resistance at 187. We failed to break above it. We got that confirmation pushing back down, and now we're pretty much back in that same spot where we were yesterday at the 172 level. I still think the fact that we will still probably be testing that 154 and looking for that possible rebound situation from there. But if the 154 level is broken, the next major support level would be around the 140 mark. The reason the 140 mark is going to be a play is, as you guys can see, we had multiple resistance tests over here at the previous analysis. We also had a support test before we started this massive move to the upside. That can definitely be another play, so to keep that in mind when you are trading on Quant, right? You want to be very careful about entering a position too prematurely on support. And if you guys watch my other videos, I've shown you guys this pretty much on every video, that once you test a support level, the chances of you actually bouncing, you're going to need that 3-week test. If you guys don't know what that 3-week test is, basically what it means is when you see a level test 1, 2, 3, and then the bounce, and that would be your confirmation. Other times, a lot of traders enter a support level thinking it's going to hold, and it actually breaks that support level, pushes further, and then they're like, okay, well, it's consolidating, it should bounce back, and then it pushes another leg down, right? You want to be very careful about not trying to get caught in that position. So as of right now on Quant, we are trading below the exponentials. We are heading towards an oversold area, and that oversold area on the 4-hour will probably testing that 154 level, right? That's the reason why that 154 level is so important right now. And as you guys can see right now, we are pushing much lower with the exponential moving averages. And if you look on the lower time frames for Quant, we do have a better understanding of what's happening. On the lower time frames, you can see that we had that beautiful bounce on that support level we mentioned yesterday. That could be a fake out at 173. We saw that fake out candlestick right over here, and we saw that push above. Then we saw that rejection candle on that support level, and then we saw multiple tests hitting that resistance level for the exponential moving averages. This is why the exponential moving averages are so important to have. As you guys can see, I had the 9 and the 20, and you can see Quant basically rejected both of them on the way down, right? Now we are testing this support level once more without a clear confirmation of an upside. And again, for the bullish case scenario, Quant actually has to break above these exponential moving averages, find them as support, and then try to reclaim that 187 territory. If we can't do that, we will definitely be pushing lower and retesting this major support level 154, and then we can look for that long position pushing higher and possibly taking that 187. We have 2 scenarios here, of course, and again, if the 173 level does hold, guys, keep this in mind, this is very important. If the 173 level does hold, and on the lower time frames we have multiple tests and multiple confirmations, that is still bullish for Quant, and we can possibly be looking to retake those highs at 187. But that's pretty much all I have for you guys today. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day.